Hey Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza Jane and some of you might also know me as Liza Locks. Today we are doing something a little bit crazy. I think I've lost my mind. I truly do. So in my last video, if you remember, it was 10 reasons why you should not get dreadlocks, and I said I could probably list 100 reasons why you should. She don't care if you don't like it. Well, when I sat down with my list, it was a little bit harder than I actually thought, and I took this as I dared myself to do it, and I was determined to get it done. I asked you guys for help on my Instagram story, and you guys had a lot of the same reasons. There was about 10 of them, so I had to get creative. So I started thinking, well, I could easily have 50 reasons, which I did do, and then 50 hairstyles. So for every reason I give, I am going to also give you 50 hairstyles that I hope inspire you and make you want dreadlocks. It's gonna be a crazy video. Come on.
Number 1, you have a built-in pillow wherever you go. Number 2, no more frying your hair with hot tools. Number 3, you will get some new nicknames. Number 4, you can always disguise yourself. Number 5, the styles can be so stinking easy. Number 6, you have a built-in seatbelt. Number 7, if you're a mom, this needs no explanation. Number 8, you have a built-in scarf. You'll never be cold again. Number 9, you will learn to slow down and realize you need self-care and you deserve it. 10, you may get a little more attention. 11, dreadlocks are eco-friendly. 12, never need a hair tie again. 13, bye-bye bedhead, never again. 14, small children may mistake you for a Disney princess. In today's world, one can never be too careful. Not highly recommended. You'd be better off with a real mask, but this could possibly work in a pinch. 16, yes, it's a stereotype, but people will always assume you want party supplies. 17, you can create braids that stay permanently in your hair. Love. 18, spiritual reasons. 19, they can be a conversation starter. Number 20, or they can be a conversation ender, which isn't always a bad thing. Peace out. 21, for safety, you have extra cushion for your noggin. 22, you can lock in scents that you love and smell them all day long. 23, no more running late. You can get ready to go in just minutes. Number 24, get ready for your self-confidence to boom. 25, it may be a great way to embarrass your children. 26, or they will love them and you'll teach them that it doesn't matter what other people think and they'll want them too. Number 27, they make hiding really easy when you see somebody you don't want to talk to. 28, they will hold on to the smell of your favorite dinner you had last night. Falafel. Beads, beads, and more beads. Number 29. 30, no more pollutants in your hair. Number 31, you can have all the length you want immediately. Number 32, feathers in your hair. Number 33, if you let them, dreadlocks can teach you a lot. Number 34, I hear cats love dreadlocks for a toy. I don't know, I don't have a real cat, but that's what I hear. Number 35, you have a built-in hat that you never have to take off when you enter a door again. 36, they may open your eyes to a whole new world and activities. 37, you never have to pay for a haircut ever again. 38, Ribbon, embroidery thread, yarn, oh my, all the decorations. 39. Earmuffs. Number 40. You will make new friends at the airport every time you go. 41. If you're one of the lucky ones, you will learn that self-love has to become a priority. 42. You have a built-in tickler. 43. You can throw away all those products in your shower. 44. There can always be a treasure hunt at your fingertips. 45. Get ready to suddenly start feeling yourself. Number 46. Ah, yes, you get to wash your hair a lot less often. 47. Oh, yes, you've bucked the system. Hopefully, you'll start to care less about what other people think and their ideas and society's ideas of what is beautiful, because you are beautiful. 48. You will never have a bad hair day again. Number 49. From a girl that's hated her hair for the first 42 years of her life, I need this moment. Because that volume is amazing. Yes, I'm milking this moment. Look at that volume. Heck yeah, I just swooned over my own hair. And finally, number 50. They're just cool. Did I miss any? Comment below and let me know if I forgot one on my list.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I know it's a little different than normal, a little bit crazier, but I had fun doing it and I hope you had fun watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. I do upload every Monday and Thursday. Also, find me on Instagram, Liza_locks. I hope if you can, you are still staying home and staying safe. Take care, you guys. You guys, I have to tell you, I think I've lost my mind on this one. I think I've bit off more than I can chew. And right now I'm like, why, Liza, why? Why did you think you could tackle this? But I'm gonna tackle it. I'm going to do it. I challenged myself. I feel like in my last video, I dared myself and I'm going to do it. I just filmed 40 ways and my camera died. I just have to say, I just finished that. And I am so exhausted. Now I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to edit. But anyway, finished. 50. 50 reasons why and 50 hairstyles just for you. And me, because I had dared myself. And man, it was a challenge. I was up for it. And thank you to everybody that helped me make this video.
Got her nails like she walking on a carpet. Take a pic cause she gotta show the new fit.
Aww.
She a killer with some money on the way. Gotta pack up and move to LA. She don't need a man, she gon' do it her own way. Take him out on a date and she pay. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted